Welcome back, and election news up next for you now. Judge President Dunstan Mlambo has assured the public that the Electoral Court is working hard to provide reasons for the order it gave in the matter involving the IEC and the MK party. The court gave an order that effectively allowed the party's leader, Jacob Zuma, to contest the elections next month. However, the reasons underpinning this order are still outstanding.
There are matters that come urgently to courts where judges do not rush into giving reasons. But there are situations where once they've applied their minds and head argument, then they make up their minds which way they're going to go. They can issue an order. It happens in very limited circumstances. And this matter that you're talking about is one of those matters which come urgently, and an order, an indication from the court is required. So the order will be handed down to be followed by reasons. And because it happens mostly in matters that are urgent, the reasons do not take very long to come that say why was that order arrived at. That's the one aspect. The other aspect is the general one, where matters are ahead, no order is handed down, but the whole judgment is reserved for some time, and then everything is handed down at some later stage. I can assure you that the judges who sat in that matter are working very hard to produce their reasons for that order. It happens. Remember, they've got other work. It's not that once they've heard the matter, they've handed down the order, then they don't have anything else and focus on that. They've got to attend to other things. And I think that's the context that's always lost when people look at why some of these judgments and reasons are delayed. There's a context to it. The support that judges get, I know that the Electoral Court has no research support whatsoever. So you're relying on those judges to do their own research to actually arrive at cogent reasons. The Electoral Court is a court that's capacitated from judges from other courts, right? So it doesn't have its own self-standing capacity. Like that matter was heard in the Gauteng division. I had to give them my chambers and a court for them to. So they don't have that support. So maybe one of them, probably Justice Zondi, would use some of the researchers in the SCA. But those resources are stretched. I mean, I think at the last check, they had not more than 3 researchers servicing 24 judges. Don't just blame the judges. They want to give you a well-reasoned judgment. So allow them that space without pressurizing them to give you those reasons.